Welcome to eResidentCare version 2.0. We have taken the familiar workflows you depend on and updated the platform with a modern, intuitive design. In this walkthrough, you will see what is improved, without losing the comfort of what you already know. Let's start with the login experience. Each user is set up with a unique username and email address. They log in using their email or username and create their own password through a secure activation link. This is a major improvement in both ease of use and security, helping reduce the risk of shared or outdated credentials. Once logged in, users are brought directly to the new dashboard, where the e-schedule, resident list, and recent resident notes are all visible at a glance for quick access. One of the most important upgrades in version 2.0 is that the system is now fully mobile-friendly. Whether you are using a phone, tablet, or desktop, eResidentCare detects your device and adapts the screen layout automatically. Even on the smallest device, like a smartphone, you can chart, update notes, and review schedules with ease. User setup in version 2.0 is more secure and flexible. Each user is created with an email and assigned a role. They receive an activation email allowing them to create their own password, no more manually setting passwords. You can now view user login activity, which helps with accountability and compliance. The biggest improvement? You can fully manage user permission. Each role has access to a list of CRUD-level permissions, meaning you can allow create, read, update, or delete access to each of the features in the system. The administration menu in version 2.0 gives you more flexibility to tailor the system to your facility's needs. You can manage assessments under two tabs: predefined assessments with editable templates, and custom assessments you build with an intuitive assessment builder. You can also define categories for resident notes, set up incident report categories, and create custom charting responses for care plans, such as one prompt or verbal redirect. Admitting a resident in version 2.0 is quick and flexible. You'll enter demographic and emergency contact details just like before, and the resident is immediately visible in the system with a census status of enrollment in progress. Once the resident is marked as admitted, the full resident dashboard opens. You can also assign a location directly from the resident details screen, and if a resident moves to a different house or unit later, you can easily transfer them. When you open a resident in version 2.0, you'll notice the familiar tabs are all still here: vitals, notes, orders, MAR, and care plans. But now, you'll also see a resident dashboard, a helpful overview that includes the resident's e-schedule with tasks sorted by time, a vitals chart, and a calendar view. You'll also see the most recent entries for fluid intake, output, and resident activities, all in one place. You'll find the same key order types: medication, treatment, diet, and care plan orders. In version 2.0, setting up medication, treatment, or care plan orders is faster and more intuitive. Just select the type, add the details, and choose from flexible scheduling tools that make it easy to stay compliant. Once saved, orders flow directly into your daily charting and alerts, no extra steps. But now, setting them up is faster with dynamic scheduling, frequency selectors, and better visibility into what's due. Charting in version 2.0 uses the same screens you're familiar with: EMAR, ETAR, EDAR, and eTask. The layout has been refreshed with modern visuals, including color-coded icons to help you instantly see task statuses. You'll also notice a new design for notifications and alerts, making it easier to stay on top of what needs to be completed. And you can still access full monthly logs and summaries with just a click. Version 2.0 introduces a dedicated e-log menu, providing structured logs for tracking resident activities such as walks in the park, visitor check-ins, incontinence tracking, behavior monitoring, and other incident reports, along with fluid intake and output records. Entries can be added quickly with just a few clicks, helping your team stay organized, accurate, and compliant. Our Help menu will give your team instant access to support resources. From here, you can open the full product manual in PDF format, or search help articles, or quickly submit a support ticket if you need assistance. It's all in one place, so help is always just a click away. Version 2.0 keeps your workflow and terminology, but makes your daily tasks smoother, faster, and fully mobile-friendly. When you're ready to schedule your migration, we'll work closely with you to move all of your residents' current and historical records to the new platform. We're here to support you every step of the way.